Alright guys, so the my replacement tuner showed up. So we'll go ahead and open that up. I don't have high hopes for this one. I have a feeling. Now, what I noticed is some guys wrote some reviews on this, and they don't all come with the same firmware. Alright. That's how they ship it. So, it's possible the last one I got was used. And older. Okay. So, I also didn't get this with the other one. I don't know what this is. Okay. I'm wondering if the other one was used. Either I just turned it on accident, or it was on the whole entire time. Okay. And this one has a nice little gouge in the front of it. And we got glue sticking out here. I don't see schmutz on the bottom of it. The case screws aren't as bad as the other one. They're like really cockeyed on the other one. So the problem with the other one is that the case is bowed up right here. You can see. So I think the issue with the other one was partly to do with that. So this it's got the old version. So so I think if it has the old version, we're gonna have problems. I don't know the easy way to update this, but there is a way, and you have to get in there with some kind of jumper and flash the pick chip. But there's documentation on these on GitHub. So anyway, what we're gonna do, let's see here. I'm gonna look at this real quick. AM, FM, CW, low power, 6 to 15 watts tuning can be used with high power. Note, the standing wave is too large. Not successful tuning, not high power transmission. This situation may damage the daytone or of shortwave machine. Please remove the problem before the high power transmission. Good grounding is conductive to standing wave tuning. If unconditional grounding, connect grounding terminals to the shortwave machine for grounding. Operating reminder, need manual. You can press auto. The middle of LC disappeared. Is manual mode. Press again to switch to automatic mode. Special case, press tune to reset. Default hand auto mode. Need manual, you can press auto. The middle of the screen LC disappeared. I have no clue what the hell that. I don't know. Let me use this to prop it up. Okay. We're gonna put the radio on 10 meter AM. Okay. A 5-watt carrier. It's not doing anything. So it still says tune. So SWR is 0. Radio shows high. So 28421, it won't tune. The LC is not disappearing. It'd have been nice to have gotten the newer version, because I think the newer version fixed some issues. And yeah, I'm gonna send this one back. They almost wonder if these are used, because the one I built, it will at least attempt to tune. This isn't doing anything. It shows me SWR. Okay, we've reset it. It just sits there and says tune. It doesn't do anything. Got everything on the right terminal. Also, I plugged my other one in, and the charge light never went off. I left it plugged in overnight. So maybe it needs to charge for a while, but I kind of doubt that. It's like, why won't you tune? You're not even doing anything. Like, seriously? Let's go 2900. Nope. 5 to 1. It won't do anything. Weird. 29640. I mean, would this frickin' thing do anything? Alright. 28. Near the bottom of the band. My radio shows I got a good match. I just felt it tune. Let me try something here. I want to see if my radio itself will tune. Okay. Hello, test 1, 2, 3, 4. So my radio will tune it. And we know that that's not a very good tuner. I'm going to guess that we're going to open this up and we'll find the same air wound inductors. And I think that that's the problem, because they can't make as much inductance. So this might work. Let me take it off of tune. I'm under 3. I'm right about 3 to 1 SWR right here in the band. Now let me go up to 28.4 and see how high it was. It's a little over 3. And we go up to 29.6. It's almost 4 to 1. So this isn't able to tune any of this. Okay, let's go to, we'll go to 12 meters. Take the tuner off. Okay. We have 3-to-1 SWR. I heard it tune, but it didn't do anything. We got a bad match. Five to one. I can't get it to do anything. Alright, let's go 15 meters. We'll go bottom of the band. A little over 3-to-1. Won't tune. Let me turn my power up to 10 watts. It says my SWR is 3.6. And the radio does say it is, but it's it won't do anything. It's like the problem, I think this thing's used. So let's see if it works on anything. Okay. Okay, it tuned. .1. Looks like it worked. The radio says 1.5, 1.6. Now it showed a little bit different. My radio says I'm doing 10 watts. This thing says something else. Okay, so although it did tune that, okay, so we're not going to tune 20 either, apparently. it could just be my antenna is just, you know, posing issues. I definitely have problems on 40 meters on my antenna. I'll have to try a couple of other things. It won't let you do anything with that band. Clear. Ooh. Won't tune. Now, all my other automatic antenna tuners, I believe, just tune everything. Let's try the bottom of the band. So you should be able to put a carrier in it and hold the button down, and it should initiate a tune sequence. And it doesn't do that. Neither one of them do. And that's what has me wondering what's up with the thing. It says 3-to-1. Radio says 2-to-1. Tuner says 99.9. Alright. So, I'm done. I'm just gonna send it back. I might call Amazon on the phone and just see what they say.